Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video for you guys. So went to Harbor Freight today, got a couple things, so I'll show you what I got. So here we go. Got the 3-gallon 110 max PSI air compressor by McGraw. Paid $49.99 for it because it was the parking lot sale. So you guys still got a little bit of time so you can nab one up. I think it's regularly like 75 bucks, so not bad. So with that, I also got the Banks 23 gauge nail puller, which is right there. Already loaded up with some nails. And then, you know, I already have this one. I put the staples in that one. So let's go test it out. So here's a little overview on the Banks 23 gauge pin nailer. First things, there is a little safety switch, so you can just bring that all the way down and you can't press the trigger. Bring it all the way up and you can. There is a little selection switch, so you can go 1 inch. Has these 2 other slots that aren't labeled, so somewhere in between 1 inch and 3/4. One, two. There's a 3/4. There's another one that's not labeled, and then there's your 1/2 inch. I'm going to be shooting 1 inch pins, so move it to the 1 inch. Press that trigger. We'll go all the way out. And then you just take your pins, make sure the arrow is going to be facing the direction that you're going to be shooting. Put in that little slot right there. Hard to do one-handed. Clicks right in place. Pretty cool. Does come with some tools and whatever that is. Not quite sure really. Probably show in the instructions, but I never read instructions. So let me just get the hose set up on this and then we'll try it out. Okay, so already hooked up. The safety switch is off. Just shoot right there. You can just see that there's barely any marks at all. So that's pretty good. Nice for doing trim work. Now I'll grab the staple gun and we'll go from there. Now with this 18 gauge staple gun, there is a safety switch where you press, you're not up against something, won't fire. So you have to literally just push in. Do a couple more. Did that, and then boom, there you go. Now, the way to do this, try and do it one-handed. Way to load this, push this down, release it all. The staples just kind of go in this slot right there. Now if you had the brad nails, it'd be slightly different. So let's see if I can close it one. There we go. And you can kind of gauge how many you have left. So pretty cool. Like I said, I got this a couple weeks ago, a month ago, I don't even remember. Spanx, I like that it has a cool little carry case. Probably not gonna leave it in that case. I might, but I'm not sure. So, see, I have it turned off. I think I just set it to 80 PSI. Yeah, I had it at 80 PSI, so still have about 70 PSI left. I just turned it off, didn't keep it on, but let's see how long it'll take for it to go through my air ratchet before that completely dies. Hold on one sec. And we're back. First time actually using this air ratchet since I bought it. Let's set a timer and... So about 17 seconds, but it was really struggling at the end. And now you can see 20 psi left in the tank and little under 20 going directly to the tool. So it's not really, this isn't even really meant for most kind of air tools. They're mainly just meant for staplers, nailers, stapling, nailing, inflating, and cleaning and blowing. So it's a good thing I have this blowgun here. So let me just fill up the air compressor again, and we'll test this out on some leaves and dirt that I have on the floor in the garage. So that took about 2 to 3 minutes to get up to, I just put it at 60 psi because I didn't want to annoy my neighbors right now. It is kind of early in the morning. But, so 60 psi, this blowgun. Let's clean up some of this. I mean, it's good for like a second or two. Then, so that dropped down almost 40 psi in just those 2 seconds. So it's not really meant for blowing things off, but it's also what I got that big air compressor for. I just need to get a new power cable for it because there's a cut in it. But other than that, the main reason why I got this one is for like inflating my tires and also for using the stapler and the pin nailer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.